Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to share what game you're playing on Discord. First, open your Discord application and navigate to your user settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your activity status. We'll cover both automatic detection and how to manually add games that aren't showing up. It's a simple process to let your friends see what you're enjoying. Discord often detects games you're playing automatically. To check this, open your user settings by clicking the gear icon near your username. Then, select Registered Games under App Settings. Look for your game in the list. If it's there, ensure the toggle next to it is enabled. Also, make sure Display Current Activity as a status message is turned on. If Discord doesn't automatically detect your game, you can add it manually. In the Registered Games section, click the Add a Game button. A drop-down menu will appear, showing currently running applications. Select your game from this list, then click Add Game. Remember to confirm that the activity status for this newly added game is enabled. Sometimes, your game status might not appear due to privacy settings or minor glitches. Always ensure Display Current Activity as a status message is enabled in your user settings under Activity Privacy. If the status isn't updating, try restarting Discord. For certain games, running Discord as an administrator can also resolve detection issues, allowing your friends to see what you're playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.